Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be removing the radio on this 2004 Cadillac SRX. First thing we need to do is open the ashtray and move it out of the way. You should be able to wiggle it out. There should be a 7mm bolt here at the bottom. Take out that 7mm bolt. There, that is the 7mm bolt. Next, use a plastic panel remover or a flathead to push out the AC vents. Now there's two 10mm bolts that you need to remove here on top. Here's one of the 10mm bolts. Put it aside. And here's the second 10mm bolt. After taking out the bottom panel, there are two 10mm bolts at the bottom, so remove those. Now pull the radio straight out. At the back, the terminators just squeeze in to pull it out. 2, 3, and the antenna. So here is another angle for the connectors on the radio. There's a locking tab on the left side. You simply press inward and pull. Press inward and pull. And the topmost, you have to press on both sides, then pull. Then don't forget the antenna, you just pull it out. And that's how you remove the radio connectors. And that is how you remove the radio on a 2004 Cadillac SRX. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arja, and thank you for watching.